how to recover from years of financial mistakes. If you could go back and undo the money mistakes you've made, how different would your life look today? Bad decisions, wasted years, debt, missed opportunities. Many people feel permanently behind because of their financial past. In this video, I'll show you how to recover from years of financial mistakes without shame, panic, or unrealistic shortcuts. This is the framework people use to rebuild stability, confidence, and wealth even after serious setbacks. Let's talk. Before we go further, like this video so it reaches someone who needs hope right now. Share it with a friend who feels stuck because of past mistakes, and subscribe to Wealth University for real financial wisdom that actually works. Now let's begin. Most people don't stay broke because of bad decisions. They stay broke because of shame. Shame makes you avoid looking at your bank statements, delay fixing problems, ignore opportunities, hide instead of rebuild. You tell yourself, I messed up too much. I'm too far behind. I should be doing better by now. But here's the truth most people never hear. Your financial past is information, not a life sentence. Every mistake you made taught you something. The only real failure is refusing to use it. Recovery starts the moment you stop punishing yourself for being human. Money mistakes hurt differently because money touches everything: security, dignity, freedom, relationships, time. You don't just regret the money, you regret the years you could have saved, the opportunities you missed, the lifestyle you delayed, the stress you endured, and social comparison makes it worse. You see others ahead and you assume, they did it right, I did it wrong. But what you don't see is this. Most financially stable people also made mistakes, they just corrected course earlier. You're not late, you're just waking up. Recovery always starts with 3 steps. 1. ACCEPT. Without excuses or self-attack. Yes, you made mistakes. No, this does not define you. Accept reality without dramatizing it. 2. Assess. Clarity over comfort. Assess clarity over comfort. You can't fix what you won't face. You must know your total debt, your actual income, your fixed expenses, your habits, your emotional triggers. Clarity hurts for a moment, but confusion hurts for years. 3. Decide. This is where power returns. Make a decision. I am no longer avoiding my financial life. Recovery begins with a decision, not a miracle. One of the biggest recovery mistakes is panic acceleration. People think, I've lost time, so I need to move fast. So they take risky shortcuts, chase quick money, overtrade beaver, jump into schemes, ignore fundamentals. Trying to catch up financially often creates new damage. Here's the truth. You don't recover years of mistakes by speed. You recover them by direction. Slow, correct movement beats fast, reckless motion every time. Before money grows, confidence must heal. If you don't rebuild confidence, you'll self-sabotage. You'll doubt good decisions. You'll panic during setbacks. You'll repeat old patterns. Confidence comes from small, consistent wins. Paying one bill on time, saving a small amount weekly, tracking expenses for 30 days, saying no to unnecessary spending. Momentum is built emotionally before it's built financially. Step 1. Stabilize. Stop the bleeding. Before wealth, you need stability. Focus on cutting unnecessary expenses, creating an emergency buffer, even small sign, reducing financial chaos, building predictability. Stability gives you room to think clearly. Step 2. Systematize. Replace willpower. Willpower is unreliable. Systems are dependable. Build automatic savings, simple budgets, scheduled reviews, clear spending rules. You don't need motivation. You need structure. Step 3. Upgrade income responsibly. Recovery accelerates when income improves, but only after discipline is in place. Focus on skills, Value creation, consistent growth, long-term earning power, more income without structure only magnifies old mistakes. Step 4. Invest. Patiently, no revenge trading. Rebuilding wealth requires patience. Avoid emotional investing. I must recover fast thinking. Following hype blindly. Consistency beats intensity. Yes, starting earlier helps, but starting correctly matters more. Many people who started early made bad decisions, lost money, restarted multiple times. Compounding doesn't reward age. It rewards discipline over time. 10 focused years can outperform 20 unfocused ones. You must change the story you tell yourself. Stop saying, "I'm bad with money. I always mess things up. I missed my chance." Start saying, "I'm learning financial discipline. I'm building systems. I'm becoming consistent." Your identity shapes your behavior. Your behavior shapes your results. Recovery is not dramatic. It's quiet. It looks like fewer impulsive decisions, more intentional spending, growing confidence, calm financial conversations, peace replacing panic resin. No one claps for recovery, but recovery changes everything. You are not behind. You are rebuilding, and rebuilding is not a punishment. It's a privilege. Many people never wake up. Many people never change. Many people stay stuck in denial. You didn't. That already puts you ahead. Your past financial mistakes do not disqualify you from a strong financial future. They qualify you, because now you know what doesn't work. Recovery doesn't require perfection. It requires honesty, structure, patience, and consistency. If this video gave you clarity or hope, subscribe to Wealth University for real conversations about money, discipline, and long-term freedom. Because wealth is not about never falling. It's about learning how to rebuild and never falling the same way again.